Yo, hello everybody, how you guys doing? Hope everyone is good. All right. Come on. So today we are going to do a forex analysis and things like that. So this will be our first live stream of the year. You know what I mean? So yeah, a happy new year, merry Christmas and everything together. And thank you very much for being part of the family, right? Thank you guys. Thank you and I really appreciate it. You know what I mean? So right now we are about to start this analysis of this forex. So this was BDC USD. I mean BCH USD, not BDC. So this was where I got in. Right now, still riding it to the upside. And I send the analysis and everything to my free students, VIP students, and premium students. I sent it to you guys, right? If you still remember, let me show it out to you so that you can just understand everything that I'm showing right here. It is real, and I did share with you guys. You see, what is this? This is December 27, right? And as you guys see, BCHUSD 1 daily time frame, this might be the right time for you to invest in this crypto and on some of it. But remember to invest what you can afford to lose anyway. So that's what I said on this day, and it was December 27. So I bought it that day, right? And the price was just $327, and right now it's more than $400, right? So that's how you do it. That's how you do it. So I share everything with you guys. So yeah, we're about to do the analysis and everything, but this is going to be for forex, right? This is going to be for forex. So if you have any particular question, or if you have any specific pair that you want me to analyze for you, just write it down in the live chat section so that I can just analyze it for you. And when the market opens, we cannot expect the market to move either in our direction or against us, right? Because either way the market is going to move. So let's just wait and see what the market is going to give us when it opens. So I hope you guys are good. All right, so let me send the links and everything to my free students, my premium students, and things like that. So this is gonna be a live analysis anyway. So yeah, come on man, let's go. So yeah, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and also share with your friends and family. They might find this video very helpful as well. So yeah, just share with your friends and family, and let's get things started. So right now, the first pair that we're going to be analyzing is AD card. I think I've already analyzed. Okay, I've already analyzed this pair being AD card. So I'm waiting for AD card to come down to this level, and if it's not able to break out of this level, we must see a move to the upside. That is going to be a trend continuation, right? But if it eventually break out of this zone, then this will be the next point, and it will just come up for retracement and boom, come down to this point. Then from here it will just start to buy and ride it all the way to the upside, because this AUD card is a long-term buy. So it's a long-term buy, guys. That's why I see it's gonna buy right here to this point, right? So you have to just be wise on how you trade in the forex market, especially this time. This is January, so we have to be very, very careful and before the market settles, because right now the market is kind of crazy, and it is what it is. Anything can happen in the forex market, So yeah, somebody is saying hi, hello man, how are you guys doing? And somebody is saying that how do you analyze the forex market? Yeah, You can use naked chart like me, or if you are addicted to using indicators, you can use indicators, right? And like I said earlier on, guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel, share with your friends and family. And if today is your first time here, subscribe, man. You know, you don't have to pay anything. It's free of charge. You just subscribe, like the video. You know, that's all you do. So using price action and time frame, yeah. If you want to start analysis, maybe with price action and naked chart, you have to stop using any indicator that you are currently using in the forex market, and also make sure you know what it means by uptrending market, downtrending market, ranging market. You know how they move before you will be able to kind of analyze the forex market, or before you'll be able to analyze chart with naked chart, right? So make sure you don't use any indicator. So yeah, that's it, man. That's it. As you can see right now, I don't use any indicator in the forex market. So, you know, that's how it is. That's how it is. Just understand how the market moves. Understand how it moves. So yeah, like I've said earlier on, that if you have any specific pair that you want me to analyze for you right now, just share it in the live chat section, so that I can just see it and analyze it for you right away, right? Because I don't want to just be analyzing random pairs whereby you guys are not looking out for it and expect what is going to happen when the market opens, right? So you give me any specific pair that you want me to analyze for you, or that you are analyzing but don't understand exactly what is happening on that particular pair, right? So this is the right time for you to give me, and I will analyze it for you, so that you can just understand what is going to happen, man. So yeah, just analyze it, guys. And also, if you are not following me on this my trading view account, you know, I don't know what you are waiting for, man, because I do share a lot of analysis and things like that on this my trading view account. As you can see, Euro JPY last week I shared it, right? So this is before of Euro JPY. And see what I said. I said this is Euro JPY 1 hour time frame analysis. I'm expecting the market to sell for about 80 pips before buying. You see that? And see what happened next. This was where we got in. If I play this right now, you're gonna see what happened. Boom. Went down to the downside. You see that? So you have to just follow us on this trading view as well, and check out some of the analysis that we are giving out right here. It is free of charge. You don't have to pay anything. I'm just trying to help you so that you can just learn how to trade forex, right? So it's not up to you either to stay focused, or you know, you can just neglect anything that I'm saying right here on YouTube, and it's all up to you. So yeah, somebody is saying, hi man, how are you? Yeah, I'm cool, man. I'm cool. Thank you very much for asking. Let's go. Yeah, 2021. Somebody saying USD CHF, somebody saying GBP NZD, somebody saying GBP 80, and somebody said thank you, right? All right, so we'll start with USD CHF. We'll start the analysis with USD CHF, and we'll come back down to GBP NZD. From there, we'll go up to GBP 80 and eventually GBP CHF, right? So let's go down to USD CHF right now. So USD CHF should prepare to sell also, or to buy, right? My account is expired, man. USD CHF, I think this is it. So this is USD CHF right now. I'm going to get rid of all this previous analysis and things like that. So this is GBP CHF. Let me just minimize this for some minutes, and you guys can see this is the daily time frame. But mere looking, this is like overall downtrending market, right? It's moving to the downside, isn't it? So since the market is moving to the downside, but you see right here, it's trying to make some changes. But if you're going to plot your trend line, you're going to get something like this on this daily time frame. You're going to get something like this which tells you that this market is making a move to the downside, and this is what we call a downtrending market, right? And remember, this is daily time frame, not 4-hour or any other smaller time frame, right? So I'll change the color to green and pin that, right? So what am I going to do next? Since I identified that the market is long term going to the downside, which is a downtrending market, right? That's a long term move of this USD CHF, right? So since we identified that, the next thing that we're supposed to do is we are supposed to look out for key levels. What do I mean by key levels? Is support and resistance line. Where are your key levels? So let's start out by putting our resistance level. That's my resistance line, right? You guys can see right here it was a support, but right now acted as a resistance level. This is another support and resistance right there. And also I have another one right here. This is the most touches possible. I have another one right here, and also I have another one right here. You guys see this, right? So these are my support and resistance on this daily time frame. And remember, if you're one of my students right here, if you're one of the premium students, not even VIP, I do let you know, guys, that put at maximum of 5 support and resistance on the daily time frame. You guys remember that, right? Once we're able to put that, the next thing that you're supposed to do is identify where the market is going to go. So you guys can see that from here, I'm seeing that the market will come up to this level before it will eventually start to move back to the downside, right? That's a long-term move on this daily time frame. Then I will go down to 4-hour time frame and check it out. You see this? It is perfect, man. It is perfect. See my trend line aligned with this, right? So I would expect this market to move to the upside and possibly touch my trend line before it will eventually move back down again to the downside, right? But before it will go up to where my trend line is, it will first of all break out of that zone. It will have to break out of this in order for it to come to this level and continue to move to the downside again. So right now I'm expecting USD CHF to come up for retracement and boom, go back down to the downside. But also I'm seeing another thing right here. If you zoom in, if you zoom in like that, you see this? That's another potential level. So if this market is going to go strong to the downside, it might react from here on the daily time, on the 4-hour time frame. From here, boom, continue to move to the downside. That's why I say it is very, very important for you to monitor what is happening in the market. It is always very important, guys. Monitor what is happening in the market. Always monitor it. So yeah, this is what I'm seeing on this USD CHF. If you have any question, please let me know so that I can answer you before I go down to another pair, so that I can just use the little time I have, because I have about 1 hour to spend right on YouTube, so that we can finish all of this pair that you guys gave me. Ask your question if you have it. Is there any question, guys? All right, in the absence of any question, let's go down to GBP NZD now. That's the next pair that we have right here. Let's go down to GBP NZD. So GBP NZD now, GBP NZD, it's gonna be Forex, FX CM. That's what I like the most. So this is GBP NZD. And you guys can see that GBP NZD has been moving to the downside. So, and actually this is kind of a ranging market, I think so. Yeah, this is kind of ranging market anyway. So yeah, this is GBP NZD daily time frame, and there's nothing much interesting on this daily time frame, man, because we have to look out for some key levels. So yeah, this is 4-hour time frame now for the GBP NZD. So what am I going to do next? Let me identify where the market is heading to, right? So if you start putting your trend line this way, you see that the market has been moving to the downside, and all of this move, it was a fake out. That's how you identify fake outs in the forex market. But right here, it was a breakout. This was a breakout, and right now you see that the market is trying to go to the upside, right? Then let's put our support and resistance. And also, before you even start buying and selling all these kind of stuffs, make sure you are using price action to identify where the market is going to go, right? Because like I use price action a lot. I use it a lot. So I don't know if you use price action. So it's all up to you as a trader, not me, right? All I do is I'll tell you what I do, and also I show you how to do it in the forex market as well. So right now I'm just putting my support and resistance on this GBP NZD 4-hour time frame. So after I mark out my trend line, know exactly where the market was heading to, and you see that the market was kind of going to the downside. Right now, break out of the trend line and retesting this trend line, right? So right now, this pair might move to the upside from here to this point, right, for about almost 800 pips. You see that? About 780 pips move. That's what I'm seeing on this GBP NZD. So of course, we're trying to see what exactly is going to happen.
The only option I found is South Gosforth Chinese takeaway on Station Road in Newcastle upon Tyne. Is that the one you're looking for?
Nah, Siri, hold on, man. Hold on, come on. Can you just shut up?
You'll need to unlock your iPhone first.
Shut up, man. I don't need that. Alright, sorry for the interruption. It was me and Siri, man. Alright, so you see, this is the move that I'm seeing on this GBP NZD, right? And of course, your stop loss is gonna be much higher, man. Alright, because of this engulfing candle. So this is the move that I'm seeing on this, but before you consider it as a valid move, except it breaks out of this zone and retest, boom, it will continue the move to the upside. Believe me, that's what is going to happen. That's what is going to happen on this, man. So just observe and monitor this pair as well before you even trade it. You see? And you may see another retest over this, man. Come on, bro. You see this zone right here? So this is 1 hour time frame anyway. I come back down to 1 hour time frame to spot out what is happening right on this level, right? Boom, before it will continue the move to the upside. That's what is gonna happen on this pair, man. You see that? But your first target, once this particular pair GBP NZD retest on this level, your first target is gonna be right on this level, which is gonna be for 200 pips. That will be your first target, and if this level go broken, you know, your next target is going to be, you know, above this level. That's what I'm seeing on this GBP NZD. So if you have any question, just let me know so that I can just you know, answer your question before we move on. So ask your question, man. Somebody is saying, please do you consider overbought and oversold condition while trading? Yeah, for sure. That's when you are, what is it call it? Oh my goodness. Supply and demand comes in. If you're trying to use what is it call it? If you're trying to use overbought and oversold, you know, you have to know exactly what it means by supply and demand zones before you start trading that, right? So of course, at times I do use it whenever time I'm looking out for maybe swing trade or whatsoever. I do it a lot, man. I do it a lot. So yeah, the answer to that question is yes. Can you analyze GBP USD? All right, I'll try to do that. But before that, I have GBP AUD right now. Somebody is saying GBP AUD, right? Let me try to check something. Somebody is saying GBP AUD. Sorry guys. All right. Okay. So GBP AUD. Sorry for the interruption. I was trying to do something. GBP AUD. What am I saying? I'm doing rather. So GBP AUD. Let me try to check out what's happening on this. So yeah, this is GBP AUD right now. And this is daily time frame, right? This is daily time frame. You gotta subscribe back to this, man. Just expired, I think this evening. So yeah, this is daily time frame, and you guys can see that the market has been, has been in this range for long periods of time, right? So what am I gonna do? As you guys can see, I don't use indicators, right? So that's why you have to understand how those uptrending market moves, ranging market moves, and downtrending market moves, right? That's what I refer as a market structure. And of course, if you're one of my students right here, you understand what I mean by market structures. I have the videos for you right on our premium channel and premium group chat, right? I do share with you guys. So yeah, other than that, let's start putting support and resistance, because of course there's nothing like trend line or whatsoever right on this, but you can put your trend line this way from here to this point, right? And maybe look out for possible trend continuation to move to the downside. But it is what it is. Let me just focus on this range. I'll just focus on this range. I'm going to focus on what is happening afterwards. I'll just focus on this level. That's it. And I'll just change this color to green, because this is daily time frame. Go down to 4-hour time frame and see what is happening, right? You see, once you know what you did in the forex market, man, you will do everything the right way. So you see that my trend line, support and resistance, everything aligned perfectly, right? So what is going to happen on this? So right now the market is kind of ranging. You see this zone right here? The market is ranging, and let me just adjust this to the downside. So let me spot out another, or let me just put my price range from here to this point. You see that the market is ranging, right? So wait for breakout to happen on this. Once the market breaks out of this and retest again, that's where the market is going to go. But right now, there's a possibility of this market breaking to the upside and eventually come up to this point in order for it to complete the ranging move. Remember how we did on the daily time frame, right? So it might come up to that level before it will start to go back down to the downside again. So that's what I'm seeing on this GBP AUD. See what is going to happen, guys. From here, sorry for that, from here breakout to happen to this point and retest before it will eventually go up to this point, right? So that's what I'm seeing on this GBP AUD right now. And of course, if there's any question, just let me know. So the next pair that we have right here is GBP CHF, right? So I'll try and analyze GBP CHF for you guys so that we can understand exactly what is going to happen on GBP CHF as well. I don't know why you guys are looking out for GBP pairs this week, but it is what it is. Let me just analyze everything for you, right? So I think I still have my analysis on everything for GBP CHF as well. So GBP CHF right now is moving to the upside. So come on, man, this is kind of interesting. Yeah, once I see break out of this zone, I'll regard it as the move, like it's gonna go to the upside. Maybe from here, once the market break out, and it will come out. Yeah, the move is for about 1,000 plus pips, but I kind of missed the perfect entry. I'll have gotten right here to ride it all the way to the upside, but I will try to see if the market break out of this zone and retest again to ride it all the way to the upside, right? Just trying to manage time because I only have 1 hour right here, so that I don't just spend all of my time doing this analysis and things like that for you guys, right? And if you guys observe, I'm having some problem with my voice, right? So these days Kada has been disturbing me, so right now I'm trying to recover. So by the grace of God, I will recover soon. So you gotta pray for us, man. So yeah, right now this pair being GBP CHF is gonna go back to the upside long term. That is the long term move, guys. It is you see why I say that I missed this move, right? Let me just show you something. That's that. You see why I say I missed the perfect entry? This was a breakout happen, retest, boom, move to the upside, right? So that's why I say I missed the perfect entry. And right now the market is creating another perfect trend line to the upside, which is going to be an uptrending market, right? This is an uptrending market happening right now, and which is our new trend line, isn't it? So right now, and of course, don't just get confused about all of these trend line things that I'm putting on this GBP CHF, right? So you see what is going to happen, guys. This is it. So wait for breakout to happen out of this zone, and of course I believe it's going to break out of it, right? It's going to break out to this point and retest right here before it's going to continue the move to the upside. So this is what I'm seeing on GBP CHF right now, long term. And once this level get broken, definitely what is going to happen next is boom, it will fly to the upside, man. And of course I might just swing this trade as well. I'm going to see what is going to happen on this GBP CHF. So I will look out for buy opportunity on this and ride it all the way to the upside. So this is what I'm seeing on GBP CHF. It will break out of this zone, and remember, once the market is not able to break out of this zone, it will sell a bit. This is going to act as a double top, then sell maybe to this trend line before it will shoot up again to the upside. But there is a possibility of the market breaking out of this zone in order for it to continue the move to the upside. And once this level, which is around price 1.21047, got broken, it will definitely go up and retest same price again before it moves back up to the upside. That's what I'm saying on GBP CHF. And also, this is pure technical analysis, and you have to do your fundamental analysis, because at times GBP pairs, kind of reacts to what is happening on fundamentals as well. So fundamentals tend to move GBP pairs a lot. They respond to fundamentals. That's what I mean. So also, as you are doing your technical analysis, make sure you are doing your fundamental analysis as well. Make sure you are doing it, guys. So that's it. And if you have any question regarding this GBP CHF, please let me know and I'll answer you right away before I move on to another pair being GBP USD. So somebody is saying GBP USD, and also somebody is saying XA UUSD right now. But before XA UUSD, which is gold, I'll try and analyze the GBP USD, because that is that's the pair that comes first before XA UUSD right according to what you guys are saying in the live chat section, right? Because I'm following everything accordingly. I'm following it accordingly, right? So let me go back down to GBP USD. GBP USD right now. Let me check it out. So this is GBP USD, and you guys can see that the market has been moving to the upside, and right now this double top formation got broken, and the next target, is gonna be a move to the upside, and this is gonna be my next target on the daily time frame. This is gonna be the next target, guys. Right here is gonna be my next target, and the move is gonna be for about how many pips is this? Let me calculate how many pips is this. It's about 650 pips. So that will be my next prediction on this, GBP USD. So no need for me to stress myself again. This is the analysis and everything that I've did on this GBP USD. Right now, I'm expecting it to continue the move to the upside for about 650 pips move. So, and of course, if you have any question, you can still ask me as I move on with the analysis, guys. And also, if today is your first time right here, please just subscribe to the channel. I don't know why YouTube even said that it is a subscribe button, right? Because some people might be thinking that, okay, since it is a subscribe button, I have to pay for this, right? No need for you to pay for anything, guys. It is free of charge. All you have to do is just click that red subscribe button and subscribe to the channel, and also share the video with your friends and family and give it a thumbs up. Your thumbs up helps a lot, man, because that's how you tell YouTube that you are enjoying the information that I'm sharing right here on YouTube, right? And of course, if you're not enjoying it, you can give it a thumbs up, because that's just your personality, right? I have no control over that. All I know is I'm doing my best to share the knowledge that I have in the forex market, and if you find that it is valuable for you, you can just give me a thumbs up. Do me that favor, man. All right, let's continue, guys, with our analysis, which is gonna be our XAUUSD, right? But before I start analyzing the XAUUSD, I'll first of all try and answer your questions, right? Somebody saying, do you think it will retrace to the support line? Which pair is that, bro? Can you just specify which pair is that? Just let me know. And also, if you are not following me on Instagram, make sure you follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and also follow our Telegram channel, right? So guys, let's continue. So the next pair that we are having right here, it is XAUUSD, which is gold, right? Let me try and analyze it, guys, so that you can understand exactly what I'm saying or what is going to happen on XAUUSD when the market opens. So right now, this is XAUUSD daily time frame. 4 hour time frame, not daily time frame, man. Sorry for that. That was a mistake. So right now, if I may ask you guys, what do you see on this XAUUSD? Because I'm seeing something interesting on this pair, man. Can you just let me know what is happening right now on XAUUSD? Just try and let me know, guys. And of course, I'm not going to wait that kind of much, because I don't want to be out of time. I'm trying to manage my time so that I can just do everything that I can, right? Because it is very, very important, guys. Very, very important. Of course, if it is not important to you, it is very important to me. All right. So in the absence of any question, let me just start the analysis on the GBP. Not GBP. Come on. On this XAUUSD, which is gold, right? And of course, long term is gonna buy, because I'm seeing which is what does it call it? This USD is getting weaker, right? So if USD is weak, you know what is gonna happen? Gold is gonna buy long time, right? So let's see what is gonna happen right here. Yeah, so this is my support and resistance on this XE USD, right? What am I gonna do next is identify a trend line. Identify your trend line before you understand where the market direction is heading to. So you guys see this. This is a perfect uptrending market. This pair being XAUSD is creating a move to the upside, right? If you guys see this, you know what I'm saying. It is very important for you to identify the market structure. Very important, guys. Let me just put it right here. You see this? Boom. It is a buy opportunity for you if the market do something like this. The market will break to this upside and retest, boom, to come up to this level and continue the move to this my previous support resistance level, to this zone, right? That's what I'm seeing on XAUSD right now. But your first target is going to be right here. After this go broken as well and retest, boom, it's gonna continue to shoot to the upside. That's what is going to happen. So it is very important for you to wait for the breakout to happen on this level. Once it broke, there's a possibility for it to come to this point, or there's a possibility for it to retest just a little bit and continue to shoot up to the upside, because it is going to be very strong and it's going to be an impulsive move breaking out of this zone, right? So that's what I'm seeing on XAUUSD, guys. So that's what I'm seeing on it. That's what I'm seeing on XAUSD. And if you have any question, let me know before I call it a day, because that's the last pair that we have right on the live chat section. So in the absence of any question, guys, I want to thank each and every one of you for tuning in to today's live stream. And of course, hopefully you learned something, or you now have confidence in your analysis, right? Because some people say two heads is better than one, right? So I think with my opinion and your opinion, you compare it to all together, it might give you something that I call perfect, right? Or if it is not perfect, it might help out, right? So I want to thank each and every one of you, and I wish you guys a very profitable year and very profitable week. Also, make sure you stay humble and stay hungry. Stay humble and stay hungry. Also, invest like a rich and spend like a poor. You know, because this 2021, of course, you know, no need for me to disclose my vision or my goals for this 2021. I will just keep it to myself and see how far I can achieve all of them, right? So guys, once more again, thank you very much for tuning in, and I appreciate your presence right here. So I'll be signing out right here. So I'm still Israel the Trader, signing out. Peace to you. Have a nice day and have a profitable week, guys. See you next time in our live stream, and also see you in our free Telegram channel, because that is where I do share my analysis, free signals, and things like that. So see you right there, guys. Thank you very much.